Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get a spider filter on Snapchat. So basically to use this you need to search here as spider. So once you will search you will find many spider filter. Like for example I will use this filter now. Here you can see this is a first one, and this one you can try. And if I will take a back camera, here you can see. Okay, so we will try another one. We can try this one. So there are different type of spider filter, so you can use anyone you like. So this is how you can get a spider filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.